Everybody knows that till NEET 2024, paper used to be easy. The trend was one subject used to be difficult and other two subjects used to be very easy. And overall difficulty level till NEET 2024 was, I would say, between moderate and easy. And that became the main reason we say a lot of students used to get, we say, 720 out of 720. In NEET 2024, 67 students got 720 out of 720. And when it comes to the cutoff, it used to be 650, 660, something like that. But everything changed in NEET 2025. There were two main reasons. The first reason was the paper leak, which happened in NEET 2024. And because of that, they changed the game. Okay. They made the paper extremely difficult for NEET 2025 students. Okay. And second reason was the cutoff, because now the cutoff was rising. It reached in 2024, it reached 660, 658, something like that. And that became one of the main reasons. Now people are asking me, sir, what about NEET 2026? What will be the prediction? Will it be easy? What will be the prediction of the cutoff? Let me just tell you, they are going to keep it same, like NEET 2025. Okay. Like there were a lot of multi-concept questions. Okay. The question paper was difficult and cutoff will remain the same. I'll be showing you the data also, but the trend has changed. We say since NEET 2025 till NEET 2024, there used to be the different trend. Okay. But everything changed in NEET 2025 and same we are expecting in NEET 2026 also. Now, my dear friends, let me just tell you, let's first take a look at the registrations. Even let me just tell you, when it comes to the NEET 2025, there were 23 lakh registrations. And when you take a look at NEET 2024, there were 24 lakh registrations. We say registrations decreased, okay, in NEET 2025 by 1 lakh. And a lot of experts are saying, even if the registrations reach 28 lakh, 27 lakh in the NEET 2026, we say still cutoff is going to remain low. Why? The reason for that is because they are going to make the paper difficult. Okay. They'll not let this cutoff go like 670, 658, 640. No, it'll be like NEET 2025 also only. And when you take a look at number of registrations, okay, you see 21 lakh registrations were in 2023, 24 lakh in 2024, 23 lakh registrations in 2025. And this year, we are expecting like 23 to 25 lakh registrations will be in NEET 2026. Okay, this is expected. And this is not going to impact the cutoff, that is for sure. Okay. And my dear friends, one more important news I just want to say also, we are expecting that when it comes to the 2026 increase in seats will be there. Okay. As number of MBBS seats, 2025, it was 1.2 lakh MBBS seats, government plus we say private over here in India. Okay. Now, if you take a look at AIQ, All India quota over here, round 1, round 2 and round 3 cutoff for NEET 2025. This is going to remain the same when it comes to the NEET 2026. Okay. +5, -5, but it will remain the same. Okay, like you have open merit category, you have 534 in round 1, round 2 you have 529, 527. Similarly, EWS, OBC, SC, ST. So this is we say these are the different categories, and these are the rounds R1, R2 and R3. You can basically take the screenshot over here. It is going to remain the same. And when we talk about the year-wise difficulty level, as I told you, till NEET 2024, the paper used to be easy. Okay, you take a look at NEET 2023 paper analysis over here. Overall difficulty, moderate to high. It was around moderate only. We say easy paper was easy. So little bit tough. And when you take a look over here, overall difficulty, so it was 1.34 out of 3. Okay, like in physics, we say 1.36, 1.38, 1.28, 1.32. And when you take a look at NEET 2024 difficulty level, you see physics, chemistry, biology, botany and zoology. You see number of easy questions, number of medium, we say difficult questions, and this is the grand total over here. Okay, and when you take a look at difficulty level, easy 35%, we say medium 46%, and difficult we say 18%. And similarly, my dear friends, this is the overall difficulty level. And you can check the paper analysis also. I have put it over here. How many statement-based questions, where there are multi-questions, where they are, okay, like assertion, reason questions, everything is mentioned over here also. Okay. And when it comes to the NEET 2025, we say NEET 2025 was difficult. When it comes to your physics, that changed the entire scenario. And even we say biology was also lengthy. We say there were standard questions in your biology also. So you can check that also. And when we are talking about the NEET 2026, we are expecting the same thing as it was in the NEET 2025. Like challenging questions will be there from every subject, not in one subject. Till 2024, only one subject was difficult, used to be difficult. But when it comes to 2026, we say all the three subjects will contain the challenging questions. Deep conceptual understanding questions. Okay, people used to remember some concepts. Okay, now let's remember it, let's see it later. Okay, still they used to get the marks. But right now, from we say 25 onwards, I would say you have to learn each and every single concept in detail. Keep that thing in your mind. Okay, multi-concept questions will be there. Like a question will contain we say different number of concepts, like it was in NEET 2025. Okay, a lot of concepts were involved in a particular question, then you were supposed to solve that. In biology paper was questions were lengthy. It was taking more than 1 minute of time. Okay, so this is what we are expecting in NEET 2026. Now, my dear friends, I know a lot of students at this point of time are still worried. Sir, how can we make it? Is it possible for us to make it if we start right now? I would say definitely yes, my dear friends, if you have just started your preparation. Okay, because I have seen students who have changed the entire game. And my dear friends, let me just tell you, we have started this game of NEET 3.0 series recently. And I have started with the class 11th portion because there were a lot of students who were saying, sir, please start with the class 11th. We are done with the vectors and basic mathematics. Now the next session will be on 11 November. Okay, 5 p.m. I'll be taking kinematics 1D and 2D. Everything, whatever you have in kinematics 1D, like you have graphs, position time graph, velocity time graph, acceleration time graph, graph convergence, like you have velocity, average velocity, acceleration, okay, like you have equations of motion. Whatever the concepts you have in kinematics 1D and in kinematics 2D, like relative motion, rain man problem, river boat problem, river swimmer problem, you have got relative velocity in 1D, relative velocity in 2D, projectile motion, horizontal projectile, every single thing we will be covering in this one. This will be of 10 to 12 hours. So I would want you guys to go and smash the like button over here and mark the attendance, okay? Okay, because this is very much mandatory. So see you guys all on 11th November, 5 p.m. Let me just tell you, this is the level up series, my dear friends. This is going to change the game if you start now, because in 80 days we'll be completing the syllabus on this particular channel completely free of cost. Go and check this out. Okay, smash the like button. See you guys on 11th November. Take care and bye bye. Thank you so much.